Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best drone review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. Silverybox Yi6 Max Drone. This drone is built bigger and heavier than mini drones. The listed weight is around 2.3 kilograms, which means in most countries you'll likely need registration and you should fly it carefully in open outdoor areas. It's advertised as 8K and it also supports 4K recording. The main highlight is the 3-axis anti-shake gimbal, which should help keep footage smoother and more cinematic while flying. There's also dual camera support, so you can switch views for different angles. It includes 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance, helping reduce the chances of crashing, especially useful for beginners. But remember, obstacle avoidance is never perfect, so don't rely on it 100%. It claims up to around 6,000 meters control distance, and it also includes GPS features like Smart Return to Home, Follow Me, and Intelligent Flight modes. It also battery performance looks strong too, with claimed flight time around 40 to 46 minutes, using an 11.4 volt 4700 mAh battery, and charging takes about 2 hours. Overall, the Yi6 Max is designed for people who want a drone with strong features on paper like long flight time, long range, stabilized camera, and obstacle avoidance, but because it's heavier, it's best for wide open outdoor flights. Number 4. Yi L200 PRO Drone. The L200 is under 217 grams, which is great because it's portable and in many regions, easier to fly compared to heavier drones. The L200 PRO comes without obstacle avoidance, while adds 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance with detection up to around 25 meters outdoors. Everything else is basically the same. It's marketed as a 4K camera with a 2-axis gimbal stabilizer plus electronic anti-shake, which helps make footage smoother. Video can go up to 2K at 30 frames per second, and it also includes a bottom camera for basic positioning shots. The remote control is rated up to about 3 kilometers with no interference, and image transmission is up to around 1.2 kilometers in open areas. It also flight time is around 23 to 25 minutes. Using a removable battery, and it uses brushless motors for better stability and efficiency. You also get useful smart features like GPS return to home, including low battery return and signal loss return, Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, Circle Orbit mode, and gesture control for quick photo and video shots. Overall, the L200 PRO is a good budget GPS drone, and if you want extra safety, better pick because of the laser obstacle avoidance. Number 3. Lamsem Yi6 Drone. This drone is much heavier than mini drones. It weighs around 783 grams, so it feels more solid, but keep in mind, in many countries, drones this weight may require registration and more safety rules. The Yi6 is advertised with an 8K camera, and it also records 4K video. It combines 3-axis stabilization, electronic anti-shake, which helps reduce shaky footage during movement. It uses brushless motors and has level 6 wind resistance, which is great for outdoor flying. The control range is around 1 kilometer with Wi-Fi image transmission, also up to about 1 kilometer in open areas. It includes GPS smart features like one-key return to home, low battery return, and signal loss return. You also get fun modes like Follow Me, Waypoint route planning, Circle Orbit Flight, and even gesture control for taking photos or videos hands-free. Obstacle avoidance is included too, which can help make flying safer, especially for beginners, but always remember it's not perfect, so fly carefully. Flight time is about 10 to 20 minutes and charging takes roughly 2.5 to 3 hours. Overall, the Yi6 is a strong option if you want a drone with a stabilized camera, GPS safety features, and smart flight modes, plus a touchscreen controller. Number 2. Potensic Atom Drone. It's lightweight, about the size of a smartphone, so it's super portable, and in many places a drone under 249 gram can be easier to fly legally compared to heavier drones. The Atom SE comes with a 12-megapixel camera and shoots 4K at 30 frames per second. It also has a single-axis gimbal with Potensix shake-vanish stabilization, so your video looks smoother while flying. Range is also impressive with PixSync 2.0. It can transmit video up to 4 kilometers in open areas, giving you a wide and stable view. You get GPS return to home, including one-key return, low battery return and signal loss return, so it's much safer for beginners. It also includes smart modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight and Circle Flight, which are great for cinematic shots. It also flight time is strong too, around 20 to 30 minutes per battery, and if you buy the dual battery set, you can fly even longer. It also has level 5 wind resistance, meaning it can handle windy outdoor conditions better than many drones. Overall, the Potensix Atom SE is a great choice if you want 4K video, strong GPS safety features and beginner-friendly controls without carrying a heavy drone. Number 1. Aliexpress V168 Max Drone. This drone comes with a 4.5-inch large-screen remote controller, so you don't need to connect your phone or Wi-Fi. The live video feed is displayed directly on the controller, which is very convenient. The V168 Max features a dual camera system with up to 8K video resolution, along with optical and electronic image stabilization. The camera angle is adjustable up to 90 degrees, making it great for aerial photography and videos. It uses brushless motors, which means quieter flight, better stability and longer lifespan. With a GPS system, you get smart features like GPS Follow Me, one-key return and aircraft search using map coordinates. One of the highlights is 360-degree obstacle avoidance, helping beginners fly more safely. The drone also supports 5G digital image transmission, offering clear and stable video up to 4 to 5 kilometers in open areas. It also flight time is around 25 to 28 minutes, powered by a 2000 mAh smart lithium battery, and the drone weighs only 187 grams, making it lightweight and portable. Overall, the V168 Max is a solid choice for beginners and hobbyists who want GPS features, long-range transmission and a built-in screen controller at an affordable price.